Hello. Okay, I just got back from, I just touched down Singapore. Went for a hiking trip and got very bad sunburn. Okay, just see the color. It's totally very different. Okay, with the back, and also for my face, it was even worse. Dry, itchy, rashes, and I don't know if you can see, very dry with all the patches, all the redness, patchy, and I have swelling actually. So I guess maybe it's the water in Hanoi, or and also due to the sun. Okay, so I guess it's a very good way for me to test out my favorite shampoo. I didn't use any throughout because I just forgot to bring. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to open up. Okay, and I'm going to start using. Okay, so how I actually do it? Okay, so hold on. Okay, how I actually use it is, as usual, you can choose to plug it in and then dab over, or for me usually I just like to cover it. Okay, so I'm going to start dabbing all over. Right, so this will be day one. So you just see whether it will improve in terms of all these rashes and patchiness. Okay, I'm quite liberal, so I'll be using just one vial for also the chest area, especially here where I get sunburn. The color you can see is totally different. Okay, so just going to do that one. Okay, so good luck to me coming to day 3 and day 5. Okay, today is day 3. So you can see, okay, there's still some scarring because I itchy finger, I go and squeeze. So you can see it's much smoother. There's still some very light marks here, and the skin is much better. So now it's day 3. Gonna prick again, pop the vial, and start dabbing. All right. Okay, today is 31st May, so I've just finished my work and shower. So this is day 5. Those who have watched previously is what happened to my skin. It was totally very bad after the trekking, the allergy, all the spots over here and there. So can see now, it's way better. So if you look closer, maybe there's still a little bit of redness, very thin redness there. And this was what happened during day 1. Okay, back here. Okay, so now as usual, I still use on, okay, what other things that I use? Maybe very standard cleanser with very mild, and also my softener is a must. I spritz on almost as and when I like it. Okay, so I do it about 3 times to pack back the moisture to the skin, regulate the skin pH, okay, soften the skin, and feed the skin of the nutrients. And of course, next is my Rossceutics. That's all for doing all this. So this is what I do. And also at the neck area, okay, for those who have seen the sunburn previously, okay, so all the way also. About half or more if I really want to see skin improvement. It really helps to calm down the inflammation, boost back the moisture. Now there's totally no dryness at all, no red patchiness that you've seen. Okay, let me just finish up, then you can see. Okay, voila, finish. Yeah, under the eye areas no problem. That's why I hardly use eye cream, because concentrated ampules is way much better. I have another one which is the hyaluronic acid, which I use in a day. But for this period, I use none except this. Okay. You see, that's just how 5 days of intensive treatment actually helps to nurse back all the inflammation, the redness, and here's still a bit left, but it's okay. But it's much better than day 1. Okay, so I will still continue day 7 to show you the difference. Okay, good morning. Today is June 2nd, so it's considered day 7. Okay, I just washed my face. Maybe I can see first. You can see it's so much better. Okay, but my voice is definitely not so good. Having a throat inflammation. So I'm going to tie up my hair now to let you all see carefully. So much different from the inflammation on that day. Okay, so these are my spots now. I don't know if the lighting can see. Okay. Okay, so after shower, see, put on your favorite toner or softener. Mine is a softener. Okay, at least a few times to draw back moisture to your skin, soften your skin, and let it absorb your next skincare product better. Alright. So I really love how it actually helps to improve the redness, the patchiness. Okay, so now there's totally nothing at all. Okay, for those clients that visited me the last few days, you're quite shocking to see that my face is so bad, right? Okay, so left we need about half. We'll just apply. So this is how it actually helped me in just 6 days. Yeah, day and night, but I really do half vow without saying all the way to the neck also for the sunburn area. Okay, 要舍得用，不要怕 when you want to really help to heal your skin. Okay, massage it upwards, dabbing first under the eye, no issue. Okay, this is hormone free, no preservative, no artificial coloring. Okay, it suits pregnant lady and also lactating mom. And with the patent easy lancet of the synergized gum for skin lifting, and the what I like is the black. I like it is doesn't formulated with preservative, okay, and hormones. That's very, very important. Okay, this is how it looks like. See? So you can refer back to my day 1, how it was so bad, bulges, patchiness, and dryness. Okay, versus now. Okay, because I am a person who loves to go out without makeup. Okay, this is how I look like. Okay, okay. Of course, here is the itchy finger. Okay, the nose, the smaller acne. So here is about total 1 box, about 10. I think I used up how many? 10 balls. I left with 3. Yeah, 3. Okay. So if you're for all clients, I am actually distributing for my facial clients because it's also I also use it for my microneedling. So any inquiries, just let me know. I just want to let you know how it is. Just by 5 days, taking good care of your skin with quality product, and just this 3. And our last one will be my lipid moisturizer to fully lock in the moisture and protect you for day to night. Okay, any further inquiries, you can WhatsApp me or visit my IG to ask more questions. Thank you.